Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Laurence Nosa Oke-Hortons, out on the streets of Lagos, asking people about the recent Twitter ban and the recent presidential declaration by certain political figures in the country. Some of the biggest politicians in the country have declared their intention to run for the presidency come 2023. Like I said, stating again, my name is Laurence Nosa Oke-Hortons, and this is the KOKO in Naija, as we will be going on the streets of Lagos to ask people about their opinion, who they will be voting for, if they have collected their PVC, and those who they have currently declared, if they like them and they are their choice, and those who they think will transform the fate of Nigeria come 2023. So let's do it. Let's go to the streets. Let's speak with them. Yeah, still on the streets of Lagos, speaking with Nigerians, young Nigerians, old, and asking them about the upcoming election, the recent declaration by some persons to run for the post of the president in Nigeria. With me, my name is Nosa Oke-Hortons, and this is KOKO TV, and with me is all right, Momodu. Thank you for joining me. So, you know of some people coming out to declare their intention to run for the role of president in Nigeria. Yeah. Can you name a couple of persons that you think that have declared their intentions?
Yeah, I know of I know of Dele, Momodu, and I can't remember the last one. But those two artists, I'm very much aware of.
You're very much aware of
their declaration. Yeah.
Okay. So, if I may ask, who would you be voting for?
I'll be voting for Atiku.
Atiku? Why? Why Atiku?
I don't know, but the fact that he has actually been tried the last time, we didn't go for him. And I don't know, his intention seems clear, even though there might not actually be 100%, but to some extent, there's this part of genuity in his declaration.
His declaration?
Yeah.
Okay, and do you know he's on the platform of PDP, do you think he's going to get the ticket in PDP?
About their ticket, I'm not really sure.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure. But at least, to some extent, we'll be hoping for.
We'll be hoping for
him to get the ticket.
Okay. Do you think because of the recent declaration, that's why the Twitter ban was lifted?
Obviously, Twitter has like so much influence on on politics, so many education, advertisements. So obviously, they were like, election is already coming, so Twitter obviously, people use Twitter like every day, almost every day they use Twitter. So obviously, it will actually make a move. So yeah, that is definitely the reason. There's no other reason. That is the only reason.
That's the only reason why you think they lifted it.
I saw it online. So many people are saying obviously it's election. Like it's already coming close. They have to like do something ASAP like that.
You're a young person. Why are you not mentioning young people? Why didn't you mention maybe Dele Momodu? Why Atiku? You know Atiku is 72.
Yeah, I know, but like I don't know. I'm not really into politics, but the little I know from my uncle and like people I talk to, I've looked from their own perspective and my own perspective. Atiku seems like
the best option.
Yeah, the best option.
And you think PDP coming back to power? Don't you think maybe some of the problems they created is why the country is the way it is?
Actually, everybody they keep creating problems as they come. There's no way. It's almost impossible to stop it. But at least to some extent, we'll be hoping for that's the best we can do.
Well, that's the best, and the best at the moment you think is Atiku.
Atiku, yes.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah, still on the matter as we're still on the street on Lagos as we prepare and begin to speak to Nigerians about the upcoming elections in 2023. My name is Nosa Oke-Hortons once again, and with me is Ma. Your name, Ma?
My name is Christiana
Titilaya Bolaji. Thank you for joining us, Ma. Mrs. Christina Titilaya Bolaji. So yes, just this week we know the former governor of Lagos State declared himself that he wants to run for the presidency for APC. Do you want him, or do you have somebody else you think should run and can make Nigeria a better country?
All I know is that other like APC, they have run their own tenure. They should let another party to put in again.
Okay.
Like PDP, because the time of PDP president, then the country was not too bad like this. Or we don't know where we are going to now. Maybe they should come back again, come and try their best again. That's my own opinion.
Yes, you have a right to your opinion. Yes, do you are you going to vote?
I will vote.
Do you have your PVC, ma?
Yes.
Who are you going to vote for?
I will vote for PDP or another better person
Okay.
The one they, it depends on the as things going on. But to me now, I have PDP in mind.
You have PDP in mind.
Yes.
Who in PDP? Who do you think in PDP would you want to vote for?
I don't even know anyone. I don't know whom they will put down or anything. But anyone they put down in PDP, which my mind just go with, I will vote for.
So it is PDP all the way for mommy.
PDP.
PDP.
Power.
All right. Kazim what, sir? Kazim Oriyemi. So, are you going to vote come 2023?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have your PVC?
Everything.
You have it ready?
Everything.
And who will you be voting for?
Tinubu now.
But you haven't said Tinubu will be the APC candidate.
Yes.
He's not yet the APC candidate. He has already declared it. Those that have declared their intention, who would you be voting for among those people that have declared their intention? APC.
Yes.
Who in APC is your number one candidate? Ashwadu Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Why Tinubu?
He's our father.
Is your father?
Yes.
How is he your father?
In Yoruba land.
In Yoruba land. So that's why you just want to vote for him, not because you think he can change the economy.
No. When Tinubu was there, Tinubu will change everything.
If he's there, we change everything.
Yes.
You believe he's the man that can take Naija to El Dorado?
Yes. Naija will be okay. When Tinubu was there, Naija will be okay.
Naija will be okay.
Yes.
So nobody else except from Ashwadu.
Yes.
Ashwadu all the way.
Number one.
All right. So that's what Kazim says. Kazim believes Ashwadu is the man that can take Naija to the next level. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon, and this is the KOKO in Naija. We take it to the streets today as we build up to the 2023 elections. With me here to answer some questions and express his opinion on who he thinks should be the next president of Nigeria. Okay, Mr. Ebukila Abolaji, thank you for joining us. So, the elections in 2023, we are preparing for the elections next year in 2023. We've had some people to come out and declare their intention to run for president. Who do you want to be the next president of Nigeria?
My opinion,
Yes.
and my mind, the person who I like,
Yes.
Abubakar.
Who? Abubakar what, sir?
Abubakar. What is the name?
For which party, sir?
For PDP.
PDP. Atiku Abubakar.
Atiku Abubakar.
Okay.
Atiku Abubakar for PDP.
For PDP.
Yes.
Okay.
It's the person who can do our economy better.
Okay.
Now, as the economy is there now, it's not the okay. Atiku Abubakar, if we enter, he will do it better.
So you think that Atiku Abubakar will be the best person to be the president of Nigeria next?
Yes, by the grace of God.
You want him to enter by the grace of God?
Yes.
And you are sure he's going to change the economy and make the Nigerians feel better than they are feeling right now?
He will change it.
You will change it?
Yes.
You are very sure for that, sir? So,
I'm sure.
do you have your PVC, sir?
Sir?
Do you have your PVC?
I have.
You have your PVC, so you'll be voting on that day?
Small banker.
Still on the streets of Lagos, speaking with people about the upcoming elections, the recent Twitter ban that was lifted, trying to get people's opinion about these things that happened and what they think about it. My name is Laurence Nosa Oke-Hortons and this is KOKO TV, and with me is Princess Mutual. Nice, thank you for joining. So, Princess, did you know about the recent Twitter ban that was lifted just yesterday?
No.
No.
About it.
Why? You don't care about it?
I don't care about it.
Okay, you're not a Twitter fan, I guess.
No.
You know. What about the upcoming elections? The last, we heard some people have come out to declare their presidential ambition for the upcoming elections. What's your opinion? Who would you be voting for? Do you have a PVC?
I don't care about it. That's their problem.
That's their problem. Wow, you don't care about it. So the last 8 years, whatever the current president has done for the last 7 years doesn't concern you.
That's his problem.
That's his problem. So what is your problem then?
I don't have a problem.
You don't have a problem. All of what you're doing at the moment.
That's their problem.
It's their problem. Wow. Good afternoon. I'm still on the streets of Lagos speaking with Nigerians about the recent presidential declarations about some of the political figures in the country. Here with me, my name remains Nosa Oke-Hortons and this is KOKO TV, and with me is
Temitayo Ogunkola.
Nice to meet you, Temitayo Ogunkola. So, just a couple of days. This week seems to be the week of presidential declaration by some aspirants in the country. To your own opinion, which of those that have declared their intention would you say is the best candidate, or would you be willing to vote for?
Well, you know, in Nigeria today we've been voting for the same people. These two parties are actually the same.
Okay.
So I'm voting, or none of them is actually my aspirants for me. So maybe something new should come. At least look at what is happening in Anambra State. There is no PDP, there is no APC. They do HAPCA, and at least I stayed at Anambra State for a long time. I served there, and I really see what these parties are actually doing
over there.
Yes.
So are you saying?
So let's try something different.
So if someone from APGA comes out to want to run, you vote for such a person?
I will do that because at least I can see what a product of that party
has
doing,
done.
At least
okay.
For that sake, I will.
You will vote for APGA?
Yes, I will.
Okay, but if APGA doesn't produce a presidential candidate, or those that are still available at the moment that have come out, which of those would you be willing to vote for?
Oh, as I said, you want me to recycle the same set of people. You just say what's the difference between Satan and devil. Understand? So you're asking me who should I choose? Is it Satan or devil? That's what you're asking me. Okay? If I have no choice, I think let's try PDP.
PDP?
Yes, PDP.
So of those that have declared their intention in PDP at the moment are Dele, Momodu, Atiku, Kwankwaso. Who would you be picking of these
Momodu.
people? Dele, Momodu.
Momodu.
Okay. Let's see what he would do.
It's something different. Atiku, we've seen him now, he's vice president. We've seen his intention. All this time he has been coming against as president. Even when Buhari, you saw, you can't just change. These are leopards that they can't change their skin, they can't change their color. So let's try something entirely different. Well, I'm not expecting the best from something different, but let's try.
Let's try.
Never can say.
Let's give it a try of something.
Yeah.
Now, just yesterday, the Twitter ban was lifted after how many weeks? I mean, after over 222 days that it was banned, and it is coming the very week where some people are coming out to declare their presidential ambition. Do you think it's related?
The handwriting is clear now.
Yeah,
it's clear on the wall. We don't need to.
We need to say it like.
No, we don't need to hit the nail on the head. It's clear.
It's clear.
It's clear.
It's
clear now.
It's
clear. We all understand. It's clear.
It's clear.
These are political. It's actually the leak was definitely for political ambition. You understand? And that alone explains how. Exactly.
It says everything.
Come on.
So
it's clear.
It's clear.
It's clear.
Yeah, so like you've seen already, we were back on the street. The KOKO in Naija is back, and today we did go to the street to get people's opinion on the recent declaration. As you know, the Nigerian politics is already shaking up. We started the new year, and some of them have dropped some real bomb, like bomb shot, boom, 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 and it's already heating up the polity as we anticipate and get prepared as electioneering gets started against 2023. That's the word on every politician's mouth at the moment. It is all 2023, or whoever who is vying for whatever position. But we took time out today. Like I said, we went to the street, and some people did speak to us about who they expect or want to be the number one citizen of the country, or what party they expect to win, if they're going to be what election, if they are prepared for the election, they have their PVC ready or not. It was fun. We're back on the street, and we're back bringing you some of the hottest things in the polity. My name is Nosa Oke-Hortons, and we're going to say Happy New Year. And for those, it was lovely speaking with people, just bringing it down a little bit. We spoke with them. On speaking with them, some people, it seemed more like the older generation still seem more interested in the politics of the country rather than the younger persons. Some people we did speak with were saying the politics of the country, it is none of their business. It doesn't concern them. This was shocking and alarming to me. Like, you same people are the ones that will go on social media to shout and clamor that you need the change, and yet you're saying this, whatever is happening in the country is none of your business, and yet you say the country is not fine, it's not okay. It's the same people that get vote in that makes those decisions that affect you. So that's why it's imperative on every person out there. We are the most in the population, because I account myself as I am a young person. It is imperative on everybody, get your PVC. It is necessary. It is very, very important. Get your PVC, go out there and vote, stand with your vote, and make sure your vote counts. Power is never given on a platter of gold. You need to wrestle it. When you wrestle it, then you make your voice heard. If we can't do it now, but let us prepare against the next election. Let them know we have a voice and we are willing to make a change. That is what this year should be about. Get your PVC. I'm not campaigning for INEC, but I'm saying it. Get your PVC. Let's vote. Let's give somebody else the power. We think those that are in power now are not doing what we want. So, like I said, Laurence Nosa Oke-Hortons, this is the KOKO in Naija, and we are back. Happy New Year, and let's go out there and make a change. Yay!